we might be. Still not so good at checking this thing, you know. Let's see. Yep, looks like we are. Okay, so give myself a little thumbs up. In this live, we are basically just trying to work out how and if we're able to use Python properly, and how it works really in Robotino View. So it's just a bit of an experimentation, really. Let's see if it works. Okay, so let's get started. We have here some basic Python code, and I'm going to use ChatGPT here to improve it. Okay, so this Python code is for a Robotino. The step is called automatically, as is start finish. I want to add a simple UDP server to accept commands. Let's see if we can do this. Now, I happen to know this works because I actually did it once before, so it should be fine. Okay, now let me just refer back to my notes, because I think I did this before and this was not needed. Okay, too complicated. Make it minimal. No threading. Okay. Yeah, this looks good. Absolutely. Okay. So if we take this and we replace it here, I guess we can paste it in and then save, and then can we run this? Okay. It's here and it seems to have bound on 5005, so I bet I need to open packet sender now. Oh, I didn't install it yet? Okay, I need to install packet sender. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. Let's just get rid of these. We don't want them. Okay. So 5005, we're going to send my UDP. This is good. I'm going to send here the ASCII. So let's just try sending hey like this. Yeah, there we go. We got it through. Okay, so this works quite well. I guess if I say Callum and send it, then it also comes through, which is kind of nice. So this obviously happens within the process, right? My guess is, well, this Python script is only running inside of this particular step of the program. If I jump into another step, I guess that this Python script will fail. Actually, it would be interesting to test this. So let's drag in a timer and our timer writer, right? And we'll jump here. and we're just going to copy this whole thing into 2. Oh, crashed. Interesting. Okay. Crashed. No! And I can't get it back. Okay. I wonder why it crashed. That's interesting. Okay. Let's rebuild this.
I can't connect to your Wi-Fi network.
Oh,
You can find setup instructions in the help section of your Alexa app.
didn't ask you to, but okay. So we're here, and yeah, I guess we need to bring in the Python again. Where's that here? Custom Python script. Now, luckily, my Python script is saved because it's just directly from ChatGPT. So if we put this back in and save it, and what I will do this time is I will make the good idea of saving this project. Where should I put this? BBC News Alert. Let's save this on the desktop for now. Robotino view experiments. Okay. So we know this works now, right? We can run this again, and if we open the log here and send something, okay, we get the message comes through. Okay, the dot comes if it's the same message. That's interesting. I was wondering about this. So in the default, the step was causing dots to appear, and it looks like if exactly the same message is printed again, we get a dot. That is good to know. Okay, so that's fine. Right, if I now take this, copy, I'm going to save before I do this, right? I'm going to add a new step below this one and a new sub program, and I paste it in. Okay, it didn't crash this time. Didn't crash. Okay, so this is Python script 1, and this is also Python script 1, but can I not have them both open? No. Okay, when I switch. Okay, no, when I switch, that works. It just flicks. Huh. Okay, so if we just set timer to greater than 5,000 and then timer to greater than 5,000 here, I kind of need it to log something in the start. Oh, it's meant to. It's meant to. Okay, let's just see what happens here. Okay, so this comes, and if I'm in step 1, I'm viewing step 1 at the moment, so I guess when I send this it works, but now it doesn't work because I'm in step 2. And when I get the next one, okay, then it comes back. So the server is basically starting up. Oh, but I'm seeing the cache here. Okay, but if I send loads, it's like they buffer. That's really interesting. So only one. Okay, and we have an error here in this one. Why is that? Maybe every time it comes through, it does an error. That's interesting, because we're getting dots here as well, which would indicate, I guess, that this message is being like repeated. Only one usage of each socket address is normally permitted, but it's closing, right? Because we can see we're getting the stop message here. It's very strange. You would think it would close. Oh, but it's not cleaning up. It's not cleaning up. Right? If I stop, then it cleans up. So I would actually need the UDP service to. I would need the UDP service to clean up itself in the stop state. Otherwise, it's not going to work. Okay. Although, like, I guess you don't have to. You could only have the Python thing, I guess, in one step. You could only accept it in one step. It's possible, right? Because then, depending on where it goes next, you could do that. Okay, so let's modify this a little bit. Okay. So we're going to use this. We're going to make RV right float. The first output be the mode, and then I guess we want like arg, right? Because we want to receive a UDP command, which is something like go to pos 3. Need to map commands to output numbers using a case, but not a case. It's Python 3.6. Let's see if we can do this. Okay. This should work. I mean, I don't understand why the original logic is still in there. It seems very pointless. We can definitely get rid of that. But yeah, that will work. Okay. So go to pos, stop, home, and dock. They spit out these different numbers, right? Yeah, I like this, I think. Okay, let's try this. So we're definitely going to, well, we don't need an input anymore, but we do need 2 outputs. Okay, and we should be able to view the values here. Okay, I'm also going to get rid of the timer so that we run constantly in this step, and now we run. Okay, so there's 0, 0. That's fine. So if I say go to pos 3, and I send that, then I get 1, 3. Okay, this is awesome. So if I do XX and send it, then it should have failed, I guess. Do I get a log message about that? I should have done. Should have printed unknown command there. Why not? Ah, yeah. Okay, there it is. We send it. Yeah. And it doesn't know it. Okay, so in the event that it doesn't know it, then it should. Yeah, this is nice. Hmm. Okay, so we're going to want to have here action. Okay, action writer, and we're going to want to have another one here, which is param writer. Yeah. Okay. So if we do this, action and param, and then we are going to. No. Did we crash again? We did crash. Okay. No, I think that's as far as we're going to get today then.